In today's video, I am going to teach you how to justify text in Google Forms. First, let us quickly set expectations. Google Forms does not include a built-in justify alignment option for question text, descriptions, or answer choices. Forms text is automatically left-aligned or right-to-left for certain languages, so it stays readable across phones, tablets, and computers. If you truly need justified text, the practical workaround is to place your formatted text into the form as an image. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode. Click into the area where you want your justified text to appear, such as a question description or a separate section where you want to display a passage. Now you will use the Image Insert tool. Look to the right side toolbar in the form editor and click the Image option. This opens the Insert Image window. In that window, choose the option labeled By URL. In the field provided, paste the link to the image you want to use. This should be a direct image link. To create that image, write your passage in Google Docs. Set the alignment to justified and format it exactly the way you want, including font size and spacing. Then take a clean screenshot of the text, crop it tightly so there is no extra background, and upload it somewhere that gives you a usable image URL. Once the URL is in place in Google Forms, click the button to insert the image. After the image loads, select it in your form so you can confirm it is positioned correctly. If it looks too small or too large, replace it with a better sized screenshot. A good tip is to zoom your browser while taking the screenshot so the text is crisp and easy to read, especially on mobile screens. Also, keep your screenshot width reasonable so it does not become tiny when the form is viewed on a phone. Continue clicking through the image placement area in the form until the image appears exactly where you want it, directly above or within the content you are presenting. That covers everything you need to know.